So we're doing Sherilyn again.
Yeah, new and improved design. But we're going with more of a bluey gray. We did teal before.
I'm so into blue gray right now.
Love it. Love this color. So we have a bluey gray sofa, the Charles sofa.
This one right here, and you can do studs on that.
Yes, it's bluey gray. 2 arc of chairs in the lighter tone.
Yep.
So we fell in love with the rug, and we're just pulling all the colors from the rug.
Right. Lots of space to walk around, to enjoy. She's gonna love it.
Yeah, she deserves it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Some gray blue accents, some green, coffee table, end table, lamp, check, coffee table, the centerpiece. Just give her a nice tray. Let's do a nice wall decor. Perfect. Has that blue gray, silver, and a little bit of bling.
I'm Kimmberly Capone. Come into our showroom and sign up for your free design consultation today.